When it comes to ignition interlock devices, not all are created equal. Interlock devices vary in size, accuracy, and the blow pattern required to provide your state-required breath samples. Luckily, LifeSafer's blow pattern is easy to master and provides accurate, reliable results. In fact, most people master the device after only 1 or 2 tries. First, let's quickly cover what to watch out for. Some ignition interlock devices require you to blow, inhale back in, and then blow back out into the device without taking a single breath in between. Not only is this incredibly difficult to master, but it raises concerns about sanitation and cleanliness. Other interlocks operate with a straight blow activation. This requires the user to provide a powerful exhale and a large volume of air, making this difficult for people with low to average lung capacities. Now, for the solution. LifeSafer's ignition interlock device uses a unique blow-hum combination that is not only easy to execute, but is incredibly reliable and helpful in preventing costly lockouts. To operate the device, you simply blow a moderate normal breath into the device while making the doo sound. The combination allows the device to quickly sample your breath alcohol content so you can get your car started and get on with your day. The LifeSafer device has simple, easy-to-use prompts that will show up if you need to breathe harder, softer, longer, or shorter. Navigating through the process after a drunk driving conviction is complicated enough. LifeSafer makes the ignition interlock piece of the process foolproof. Call now to schedule your easy ignition interlock device installation so we can get you one step closer to putting the DUI process behind you.